happy Thursday. I am back with my BoxyCharm unboxing for February, and I wanted to quickly go over what BoxyCharm is doing with the levels, because it's kind of confusing. So, I am a huge fan of BoxyCharm. For $25, you get a really nice box every month. I am also a member of the BoxyLuxe, which means that every 3 months, it's like quarterly, I think they charge you an additional $29.95 in addition to your $25, and you get this really big box. I love BoxyLuxe. Lots of good stuff in there. But now they have BoxyCharm Premium, which is actually pretty pricey. So every month you can get the premium box, but they charge you $25 base charge plus an additional $35. So that's $60 a month. So I'm not sure I really want to go up to that. I'd rather get a couple different boxes to show you guys than upgrade to that premium. However, the premium box, if you like Fenty Beauty, they do have some pretty nice stuff. They've got the Moroccan Spice eyeshadow palette. They've got the Match Stick Shimmer Skin Stick. I mean, so you're supposed to get 6 to 7 full-size beauty products. You get to choose one of them every month. It's kind of like Ipsy Premium, but it sounds like they're aligning more with like a brand. So, I don't know. Let me know what you guys think of that whole Fenty Beauty Premium box. So for February, I like that BoxyCharm still gives you this little handout, although it's hard to read. Look at this. It's like white on light pink. So already, so far, I think I'm getting a decent box. From Luxy, we got a complete sponge set. I do like the sponges, a $40 value. I actually needed some of these, so I'm super happy to get these in my beauty box. And what I like about this is, once again, I only paid $25 for my box, and then I got, I don't know if this is, you know, the retail sometimes, I'm just throwing the whole thing out. The retail prices are sometimes a little crazy, but these are some nice quality sponges. You get 2 large ones. These are the blending ones, and a small one. So I would never pay $40 for this. Like, never. Next up, from Kate Somerville, which I like Kate Somerville's stuff. We did get a biomimicking peptide, oh my gosh, serum. So this is actually a pretty pricey item too. This is a $98, I think this is the full size, you guys. It's supposed to concentrate to transform dull, sagging skin into visibly firmer, smoother, refreshed looking skin. After 1 week, 97% of women reported their skin visibly tighter. So, I mean, who doesn't need that? I might try this out. Pretty awesome. We got that in the box. Next up, we got a Pure product. I really like the Pure products. This is actually a $17 value. It's the 4-in-1 correcting primer. My mother loves these, so I'll probably pass this on over to her. But that was cool. We got a Pure item. And then we got the Amika. I love Amika for hair. This is the Supernova Moisture and Shine Cream. How awesome is that? Shine Cream is a weightless leave-in cream. Ooh, it's leave-in. Okay, $25 value. I really like Amika products. Oops, it's leaking here. I don't know if you're supposed to put this on wet hair or dry hair. I'm just going to put a little bit on. See what happens. I like the smell of Amika. I really do. I didn't straighten my hair today, so it's kind of wild, you guys. It smells really good, though. You're probably supposed to put it on. This leave-in cream weightlessly tames frizz. Work through damp hair. Oh, use on dry hair to tame flyaways. Hello! You know I need to tame my flyaways. Look at this, my winter hair. My hair gets so big in the winter and crazy and fly away. So, this is awesome. I'm so glad I got this. And like I said, that paid for the box right there. Awesome box this month, BoxyCharm. And then I also got the Moda Pro brush set. But you know what I like about this brush set, you guys? It's all eye brushes. $27.95 value. I actually have been wanting a couple of new eye brushes. I love brushes. I just absolutely have a thing for getting new brushes. I like to swap mine out occasionally. Look at this. These are really nice for applying eyeshadow. I especially like this one to do. I never use eyeliner, you guys. What I always do is I always take a little powder and then I put it under my lid. being over 50, it makes you have a softer look rather than that harsh black line. So I always do that. So, hello BoxyCharm. I don't think I'm going to upgrade to premium. I think that's just a little bit too expensive to pay $60 a month when I really love what I'm getting in my regular box for $25. So I'm going to keep with this. Also, one more thing. They're doing the Boxy pop-up now, which they totally got me with the pop-up. I'll do a haul. I'll show you what I only got 2 things, but I got the Glam Glow kit. I love Glam Glow. Oh my gosh, those are some of the best masks that I've ever used. They just really work well with my skin. But it's pricey, so I never really buy it unless I get it on sale. So $12, I can do like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different like masks. I also got a Too Faced product, which I will show you that I'm super excited about. One of the collectible palettes that I've wanted. I'm also debating to, you know, Jeffree Star released the new Bloodlust collection that's coming up on the 21st. I don't know. I haven't decided yet. I'm kind of tempted because it's purple. As you know me, I love purple. So anyway, let me know what you think of BoxyCharm this month. I think we did a really good job with this. I love everything in the box. So that was pretty good. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I'll be back later. Bye bye.